My name is Gwen, Gwen Radel, and I've been coming here since I showed up for a consult, 8 weeks ago. I ran into a woman in Punta Gorda at Pickleplex playing pickleball a couple of years ago, and she had 4+ crowns done on her front. And I'm a graphic designer, so I saw and I thought, those look good. Note to self. You never know how honest people are going to be, and if they're going to be kind of slimy salesmen. I'm always looking for that, discerning whether that's under the radar, like what kind of person is that I'm talking to. Is this legit? So I had been, I'll just say, I've been praying about this for 6+ years, and knowing that it's a huge mountain, and but a lot of unknowns, a lot of uncertainty. I already prayed for 100 years here, and when I showed up here, it was on the referral of the woman that I had met 2 years ago. She said, why don't you go in and just get a consult and new patient kind of thing. You guys had new patient fee, and I thought, let's just do this. I'm almost 65, so unless I've been asleep at the wheel, I've learned a few things in my lifetime, and I'm a good judge of character. Everybody that I've encountered has been the real deal. I would say everybody's very genuine, and that it wasn't pretend. How about that? It wasn't pretend. I'm pro working as a team, and that is one thing that I did see. I recognized that immediately, the way this is a team here. Absolutely. I've been going to the same dentist who now is retired, and his daughter took over, and she's very good, but it is different dynamics. I've been going to that same dentist since I was 15 or 16. Over the years, things have evolved, and so it's gotten more and more busy and fast-paced versus what it used to be, a little slower. Here, it's different. Here, you're with the same people. I can meet them, remember their names. They're going to remember me, and I feel seen, and so that people are listening and taking care of me, and so that's a big deal. Unless there's something really unusual that would take place, yes, this will be my place from here on out.